Alright friends, let's begin slowly with our operations. When I go to the official Tailwind CSS website, the main section I will use as a guide is Docs page. I click Docs. You can explore everything there, like layout, flags and grid system. We won't cover every single feature because not all of them are used in every project. But we will go over all the fundamental and essential ones thoroughly. Let's start with typography and colors. I begin by searching for colors. Colors. So as you see, I see my colors. So red, orange, amber, yellow, lime. It continues like that. I can use all of them. So each one shows a different shade of color, from lightest here 50 to darkest 950. So we can use between 50 and 950. Okay, so let's test it. I come here, I say inside the SRC folder, I create new folder because I will have lots of lessons. I say one colors and then I take input into one colors folder. Okay, and then let's build it. npm run tw build tw build. Okay, it's done. I right click and open with live server. So as you see, it works super. So I delete these. Inside the body I write some text. So inside the p tag I open p tag. I love programming. Okay, and then so let's test our color. I say, for example, text blue 50. So I save it and then I refresh my page. You see the color appears slightly. Okay, and then I copy this p tag and then I paste a few times. I paste it. Right now I change the color shade. I say 100 and then 200, 300, 400 and then 500 and then 600 and then 700 and then 800 and then lastly 900. As you see, I refresh my page. It starts from lightest to darkest. I hope you understand it. We can use these colors also. What you need to do, after the text, you will write this color name. For example, text teal 500, text violet 300, text purple 700. You can test it by your own. Okay, see you in the next lesson.